Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Are you wondering how people pin their videos on top of their profiles on TikTok? When you visit someone's profile on TikTok, you can see the pinned videos right at the top. This lets the viewers get an overview of the entire profile. So, today in this video, I am going to show you how to pin TikTok video. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Now, tap on the profile icon, located at the bottom right corner of your screen. You can see the posts you have uploaded. Choose the post that you want to pin, and tap on it. Once you open the post, you will see the share icon on the right side of the screen, tap on it. Now, from the pop-up menu, tap on the option pin. And your posts will be pinned to your profile. Once it's pinned, then it will be visible to everyone who visits your profile. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to pin TikTok video. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.